So to delete your account permanently, here's what you're going to do. The first step is you go to Instagram, open the app, and then go to your profile by clicking on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then from here, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Click on the Accounts Center, and then here, tap on Personal Details. In here, tap on Account Ownership and Control. And then you may either choose memorialization or deactivation or deletion. Since we want to delete our account permanently, tap on the activation or deletion and then choose the account that you want to. And then you may choose to deactivate your account or delete your account. Deactivating your account is only temporary. It will only be hidden on Instagram until you're reactivated, but deleting your account will be permanent. So since we want to delete it, let's just choose this delete account and then hit on continue. Instagram would ask you why you wanted to remove your account. All you have to do is to just choose any reasons that you have in here and then click on continue. And once you hit on continue, your Instagram account will be deleted.